AvatarMEDIC MEDInaut drone, the Flying Da Vinci. AvatarMEDIC MEDInaut drone will enable on-site medical providers and first responders to have access to next-generation life-saving interventions and training. Moreover, using the power of telementoring, the AvatarMEDIC drone can instruct and support non-medical persons to render accurate life-saving aid. MEDInaut is capable of locating injured persons in remote environments, landing near, moving toward, and providing data stream of injured person's status. The MEDInaut is controlled via mixed mode of direct operation and autonomous pathfinding. Wheels with motors within and four-wheel steering ability enable ground mobility. The drone features two snake-armed articulating end effectors for grabbing and precise cutting and suturing. The end effectors are designed to enable wide pressure for bleeding control and patient assessment, along with retractable laparoscopic end effectors, opening the possibility of suturing and basic surgical interventions. Modular storage bays, modular splint backboard system, and other medical intervention technologies enable the AvatarMEDIC drone to render effective aid in remote and austere environments.